This is a guide for those interested in creating TeachSpace slides to use with their learners. It covers navigating your studio, additional tools, tips, and resources. To start with your slides, go to Sets and select the Create New Set Plus button. On both sides of the blank slide, you'll find toolbars. On the left toolbar, you have the options to add text, buttons, images, and different answer options. In the center of your screen is your actual slide, where you'll be placing all your buttons, images, questions, and answer options. To the right of this, you'll find another toolbar with a few different sections and many options to help you create and edit everything you add to your slide. To add a widget on the slide, you need to drag and drop the widget from the left toolbar onto the slide. You can move it around by dragging it from its borders and also resize it to fit your needs. To add an image, you need to double-click the image widget and upload one from your device. When an image is selected, you can access the Image Settings toolbar on the right side of the screen. If you need to include more than one of the same image in your slide, you can duplicate it instead of uploading multiple times. When you have all images and buttons in place, you need to mark the answers as either correct or wrong answers. Next, you can add a title or instruction for this task, using text and images. Afterwards, you need to customize the feedback for the individual learner and select the most appropriate option from the set settings. You can choose from the images provided, and also you can upload your own. You can edit the name of the set, add keywords to help you search for it later, and add a short description. Down below, you can set the prompting rule for this particular learner. You can choose the number of wrong attempts before prompting occurs. The preview button allows you to see what this slide will look like for the learner. You can check whether everything is working as intended before continuing with the next slide. On the left side of the screen, you have all of your slides and a button that allows you to create a new one. In this slide, we'll use the drag and drop features. You can upload your images and then mark them as a drop zone, and a draggable item that represents the answer and needs to be marked as either correct or wrong. Because I'm going to need 4 fish for this slide, I will duplicate the first one, together with its settings. If you create too many or wish to remove an image, you simply select the item you want to be removed and click Delete. Finally, I will add instruction text as well as a pictogram. Then I can preview the slide. Each of the draggable items is an answer, and feedback is provided immediately after placing the item in the drop zone. Next, I'll add another slide to explore the remaining widgets and options. The first widget on the left toolbar allows you to include text and also provides multiple editing options for your text. You can choose from a variety of fonts and several text sizes. The options are similar to any text editing software that you are already using. Another type of answer that you can use with text in particular is fill in the blank. You can find the widget in the left toolbar. You need to adjust the size and position of the text to fit the blank widget. In this task, I will add images as well, and of course visual and text instructions. TeachSpace slides allow you to include videos by pasting the URL address from YouTube, Vimeo, or any other video sharing service. The next widget allows you to add captioned images onto your slides. You can upload an image from your device and edit the captions accordingly. Next, there is the multiple image widget that can be used as multiple choice tool for visual answers. You can add up to 4 photos and mark them as appropriately. You'll notice a red border outlining the red wrong button when the selected answer has been marked wrong, and a green border around the correct button when the selected answer has been marked as correct. The same can be done with the multiple choice widget that can only include text as an answer. The right side toolbar allows you to adjust the border style, width, color, and radius. You can also add background color to the buttons. Okay. Now, you are ready to play around with your TeachSpace. We are still on beta, so please let us know if you want to change any of these behaviors, or you have any questions, comments, and suggestions. You can reach out to us via our partner organization in your area. Thank you for watching.